So this assembly session जे गोंय सरकारा विरुद्ध आज जेन्ना प्रश्न आमी डिस्कस केले, खास करून जे एक नॅशनल कमिशन टू रिव्यू द वर्किंग ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जे 70 सीट्स आनी उणी आसा, दे रेकमेंड दॅट there should be a session of minimum of 50 days in an annual year. What we see is shocking. 13 sessions have passed and 98 days have been taken. So on an average, it is basically very, very weak. Jenna आज speaker सांगता, स्पीकर म्हणटा की मिनिमम 30 days एक सेशन जावपाक जाय आनी 30 डेजाच्या सेशनाक मुखेलमंत्रीक जरी तर दिसता की 3 दिसांनी गोंयचे जे प्रश्न आसा, कित्याक लास्ट सेशनूय कटेल केले, फोटोयले, गोंयकाराक फोटोयले, इट वॉज एन इन्सल्ट, कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट ऑन टर्म्स ऑफ इलेक्शन आसा म्हणून पोंडा त्या वेळार आनी त्याच दिसाक जे ऑलमोस्ट 30,000 मायज क्रोज ऑफ रुपीज हे बजेट पास केले विदाउट एनी डिबेट, विदाउट एनी डिस्कशन. इट इज दॅट वी शूड ऑल्सो लुक एट गव्हर्मेंट पॉलिसीज. आमचो रोल जाता टू स्क्रुटिनी, गेट इन बिल्स, ऑल दीज थिंग्स. म्हाका दिसता इट इज बेसिकली MLAs आर इलेक्टेड टू स्पीक अप फॉर दीज इश्यूज. आता 33 रुलिंगात आसा आणि आम्ही 60 जाण आहाय. पण जरी तर तुम्ही चयल्यार, इफ यू सी प्रॅक्टिकली 11 मिनिस्टर्स and practically if you look at the particular schedule, in 3 days the list, chief minister has about 15 portfolios, plus there is TCP minister 5 and another 5 of transport minister. So 25 portfolios in one day. Second day जे chief minister हा 13 portfolio, WRD 3, दिगंबर बाब 3 आणि तवडकर 3. So 6, 9 आणि 13. हिंगा 22 portfolios. Third disak 4, 7, 11, 14. So how are we supposed to take these issues? Last time मुखेलमंत्री जे पण सांगिले की लेंथी सेशन आसतले म्हणून, आज जेन्ना सभापती म्हणटा आणि हे सेशन डिक्लेअर क्वेश्चन होणे, आम्ही पत्र गव्हर्नराक बरयल्ले, स्पीकराक बरयल्ले, एक्नॉलेज केलेले आसा, पण ह्या सरकाराक पडोंक ना. टुडे गोवा इज अंडर अटॅक, खास करून विथ लँड इश्यूज, एनवायरमेंटल इश्यूज. आज जरी तर चयल्यार जे हे लँड कन्वर्जना लागून लोक जंगलान पावल्यात आणि जे आज जनावर आहे ती रस्त्यार आयली. वी नीड अ डिबेट. लास्ट टाइम वी वर allowed to present few bills. आज वो प्रायव्हेट मेंबर्स डे जो आमचो फ्रायडेचो आसता, आमचो अधिकार या दिसाक बिल प्रेझेंट करपाक, बट द बिल्स आमकां तो दीस तेमी कटेल केलो. आज ज्या पद्दतीन लोकाले इश्यू आसा, खास करून जो हो लूटमार सरकार आसा, ज्या पद्दतीन लॉ अँड ऑर्डर सिच्युएशन आसा, रेप वाढता, मर्डर वाढता, ड्रग ट्रॅफिकिंग वाढता, आणि पुलिस ऑल्सो आर हँड इन ग्लव. ज्या पद्धतीन आम्ही डिस्कस केलो अबाउट इन्फ्लेशन, अबाउट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी टॅरिफ्स, अबाउट LPG प्राइस राईज, हेजेरूय आम्ही चर्चा केली. लँड प्रोटेक्शन जे गोंयांत ज्या पद्धतीन आज हो लूटमार सरकार ज्या पद्धतीन लुटता, भायले मनशाक हाडून, हे बंद जावपाक जाय. आनीक लँड प्रोटेक्शन इज अ प्रथम फॉर गोवा. टुरिझम जो क्रायसिस आज जालोलो आसा, खास करून टॅक्सीचो इश्यू, ज्या पद्दतीन दक्षिण गोंयांत द नंबर ऑफ पीपल एंट्रींग दाबोलीम, हेल्थ केअर, 4 वर्सां जालीं आमी दक्षिण गोंयची परिस्थिती एकदम गंभीर आसा म्हणून सांगता. रिफरल वाडटा, ज्या पद्दतीन there is less number of medicines, less number of ICU beds, health infrastructure, there is no progress. आज जो रोड एक्सिडेंट, रोड डेथ्स एंड पब्लिक ट्रान्सपोर्ट, हेजेरूय आमी खूब चर्चा केली. लोक मरत आसा, ब्लॅक स्पॉट वाडत आसा. So if you look, this is nothing but collapse of governance. In Goa there is no law and order, there is only land and order. हे सगळें जरी तर चयल्यार this seems to be a governance issue. This government does not want to face, the way they have postponed municipal polls as well, they do not want to face the people. Democratic आमचो रायट जो कटेल केलो तेमी लास्ट विधानसभान, जो कटेल केलो, आनी दुबाव ना, हांव सदांच म्हणटा की they will take advantage of the situation. There will be a lot of misunderstandings. I am accustomed to it. कित्याक जेन्ना बाब मनोहर पर्रीकर हांव सांग्याच्या गांवांत बसलोलो त्या वेळार ताणें एक सांग्यार एक स्टेटमेंट केल्लें इन देअर पब्लीक मिटींग 2012 हांव 200 मत माग पडू मायज पडू जाल्यार हांव जिखपाचो. त्या वेळार तो म्हणूंक लागलो की युरी जरी तर सांग्यार जिखलो जाल्यार पुर्तुगेज पत्ते गोंयांत येतले म्हणून, आनी थोड्या लोकांक तें दिसलें. त्याच पद्दतीन आज म्हाका दिसता आमचे मदें, हांव सदांच म्हणटा, आज ही लोकशाय, ही डेमोक्रेसी, बट द आयडिया इज इफ देर आर डिफरन्सीस, आय बिलीव दॅट इट इज वी नीड टू सेटल इट टुडे. बट वॉट एवर कम वॉट मे, our party might have differences, but we have fought here for Goa and we will fight in the future as well. All of us have decided that we will put common questions. We have a group of MLAs of the opposition. Those questions will be shared in that particular group right from before that question galba 100, 7, 8 common strategies. We will meet possibly once again and decide. But right now we have also decided to approach the Honorable Speaker. He is the custodian of the House. He felt that 30 days was required, a bare minimum of 30 days to discuss these issues. But this dictatorial government headed by Dr. Pramod Sawant, enka lokshai naka, lokshaichi hatya korpak हे number 1 आणि आमचे मध्ये फूट घालपाकूय number 1. So as I said, if there seems to be any communication error or whatever, that we are all together. Let me tell everyone that the fight is against the BJP and we will make sure that all of us should unite and fight the BJP.
Because to be
100%. See, there is still 1 month. The questions are on the 6th. This is the last day, 6th, 7th, 8th. As I said, we have a common group. We put the questions on the common group in which all the MLAs are part of this particular part. So it is a joint strategy. If there is any communication part, as I said on Friday, the messages were sent. So there is no question about it. We have to unitedly take on the BJP.
So how many days your demand?
No, I had written a letter about that 15 days should be a minimum day, because last time the assembly was curtailed. It was curtailed last time. The reason was that code of conduct and election. So election is जालना आणि जे budget तेमी pass केले, जे budget not only normally it is vote on account, but सगळे pass करून गेले. We were in the well last time if you remember, and they promised that there will be more session. Now the speaker itself is saying पण मुख्यमंत्रीचो जबाब जरी तो चयल्यार आता माघार नाही अशें दिसता. स्पिकराकूय तेंच saying. It is a sad day that it should not be, assembly should not just be just to take their bills, just to do their business, but there has to be accountability. they have to be questioned, and these bills, private members day, or these तितून घालचो, because आमकां बिलांय मांडपा जाय. Last time आमगेली कितलीं बिलां तेमी दिवंक ना. When will we get an opportunity? So if you see, all these strategies show that BJP खतरे में है. They are scared of the limited opposition, but unitedly we will fight for Goa.
सर तुम्ही सांगले की कॉमन क्वेश्चन सगळे आसतले. सो क्वेश्चन विचारतना एक MLA करतलो का एकलो कोणतरी क्वेश्चन करतलो?
No. Whatever as we said, this is a strategy. I can't discuss that in public domain. But what questions are being put by individual members are not only now but for several years put, like Kalus Bab normally puts a shared question with Vijay, we put together. That's a strategy. We do not put it in public domain, but yes, everyone knows that what are the questions. Much before we will put it.
तुमकां कितें दिसता लास्ट सेशन आसतलो कसो असेंब्लीचो काय विंटर सेशन बीन आसतलो?
अरे तांकां केदो कामू तांकां सेशन जाय अशें दिसता तुका? तांकां जाय जाल्यार हाल आनी कितें जालो मो आनी पासून एक दिसान पासून हे 3 दीस तरी जाल्या पुरो. तांकां चोयले हे 3 दीस पासून मारूंक पडले. तांकां एक दिसूय मारूंक पडा, 3 दीस मारूंक जातले. सो डेफिनेटली इट शोज दॅट दे आर स्कॅर्ड. Otherwise, why are they not debating on the policies, on whatever is going? It should not be just a routine, just because assembly should be called within 6 months. Yeah, routinely तांगे exercise जाता, rather than focusing on the issues. एक तुम सांगपा सोदीता, if you look, this is a merciless government. They have no mercy. हांव कित्याक म्हणटा, सगळे रस्त्यार आहाय थंय इतले protest, NGO, activists. At least go and have a dialogue with them. They do not want to have a dialogue itself. Forget the assembly dialogue. Every day they do not want to have a dialogue. So what does it show? Yeah, फकत एक लूट मार सरकार.
सर एकदा अनाउन्स केल्या उपरांत परते एक्सटेंड करपाक पॉसिबिलिटी आसता?
See, तांकां जोरी तोरी they can curtail, then they can definitely extend also. It might go to the cabinet, or it might require the governor's nod. Why can't they extend if they want? If they can bring in the night Bhumiputra bill overnight, early in the morning, they can do anything.